Welcome to 8217 Cosica Boulevard in Navarre, Florida. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home, and it's just under 2,300 square feet. We have gutters on the exterior of this brick home, as well as some wonderful landscaping in the front yard. We have some great palm trees out here as well. Now this home is really well maintained, well taken care of. It does have a termite bond as well. So coming in here to the main foyer area, you can see we have a nice size formal dining room on the right hand side, which looks onto the front of the home, into the front yard. Blinds throughout this home as well. Nice foyer here. Really a nice sized living area. You can see there's plenty of room in here. Into the kitchen here. I mean, this kitchen has so much storage space in it. Lots of cabinetry, beautiful granite countertops with a breakfast bar, a breakfast nook over here, as well as a built-in desk. Tons of natural light in here. Just a really nice functional kitchen. We also have a pantry as well. So this home has a split floor plan. So the master is on the right side of the home, giving you a little bit of privacy. Just off the kitchen here, we have the garage entry with the laundry room. We have some additional storage in the laundry room as well. And into the master suite here, we have one large walk-in closet in the master suite and then an additional one in the master bathroom as well. So this first closet here on the right-hand side when you come into the master suite, as you can see, is very large, lots of storage space in here. Into the master, we have a king-size bed, so there's lots of room in here. Very spacious. It's a nice size. Now this master bathroom is just gorgeous. They just completed the renovation here. We have new vinyl plank flooring. And into the shower here, it's just gorgeous. There is going to be a really nice, beautiful piece of glass here. They had a little issue with the ordering. The size got messed up, so there will be a beautiful piece of glass here. We have a herringbone marble floor in here, as well as a herringbone marble niche. Just gorgeous. They picked wonderful finishes in here. We also have a water closet in here for privacy. And here is the second walk-in closet that I was telling you about. Tons of shelving in here. And we have brand new quartz countertops with 2 vessel sinks, professionally painted cabinetry, and new light fixtures as well. Very up to date in here. They did a wonderful job picking out all the finishes in here. Just gorgeous. And we also have a large garden tub as well here in this bathroom. So really a nice size master suite. Everything's done in here for you. And don't forget that beautiful piece of glass that's going to be added onto that master shower. So on the other side of the house here, we have the 3 additional bedrooms and bathroom. First bedroom's on the back side of the house. Again, lots of natural light in all these rooms. The second bathroom here has a shower tub combo and a single vanity. And beautiful tile throughout this home and all the main living area as well. This middle bedroom, you can see they're utilizing as an office. And into the front bedroom here. This bedroom is located on the front side of the home. All right, now I'll take you out into the backyard here. We have a beautiful new Paella sliding glass door here that was recently installed. This is such a great entertaining space here with this really large kitchen. This home is about 3 miles as well to Navarre Beach, so very close to the beach if you're interested in that. It's also very convenient if you're looking to be commuting to Hurlburt Field as well. So really nice size, fully fenced backyard with a privacy fence. We have an open lanai as well. So let us know if you have anybody who'd like to see this, or if you'd like to set up a private showing, we'd love to show you. This is 8217 Cosica Blvd in Navarre, Florida.